Hi guys, I'm Meghna and you're watching Gossipfunda. So, today we are gonna discuss about the best file manager available on Android. So, not wasting much time, let's start our video. We all have problems while managing our files on Android. The problem could be a bunch of junk files, difficulty in finding files faster, sharing larger files between Android devices, and so on. So all of these problems are going to resolve as today I'm going to introduce you guys to Files by Google. Yeah.
Is your phone filling up with photos and videos and feeling slower by the day? That's why we made Files.
First of all, we're gonna open Play Store and start searching Files by Google. As you can see, it appears. Now click on Install. Let's wait for a moment. Till then, let me tell you about its amazing feature of sharing larger files between Android devices without using cellular data. Isn't it amazing? Yep. So now it's installing. Let it be installed. Okay, so scanning is important as well, safety concerns. Now click over open. Obviously, to use this app to quickly find your photos, videos and documents, you need to allow it access, so click over continue. Now allow was an obvious action. I don't think there is a need to explain it. I feel my audience are much smarter. Okay, so let's begin with this very first feature of searching files faster. So let's say I want to open a file resume.docx. As you can see, it appeared over here. See, that's easy. Have a look, but don't look at too intensely. So as you can see, it has already categorized your files according to your convenience. You don't need to bother yourself to find a particular type of file. Isn't it important for us to save our time, which is already being done by itself? We don't have to bother. Now to remove junk files, click over clean. Now just below cleaning suggestions, there's junk file. To clean it up, click on clean 334 MB. Okay, so now it's clean. Hooray, amazing. My phone has been cleaned after an era. So it also provides you the category of files in clean section to make it easy for you to delete unwanted files. Isn't it again time saving? Google believes the fact time is money. So now it's time for the most amazing feature, which I'm gonna tell you is transferring large files to Android devices. For it, click over share. To send files, click on send, allow location and turn on Wi-Fi. Now, when your friends will open the app and tap receive, you can easily browse through files and send it to them. Isn't it that easy? I hope that you find this file manager very helpful in your daily to daily life and have really been glad to see our video. If you want more technical news and know more about amazing features over Android, do visit our Gossipfunda blog, where you start scrolling and it will never ends with the very amazing features of Android, iOS, about blogging and so on. If you find the video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our Gossipfunda channel. For any queries, feel free to mention it down in the comment box. Don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications of more amazing videos. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.